Hi everybody, it's Claudette with Claudette's Charms. It's been a couple weeks since I've done a video, so I wanted to hop on here and update you all. First of all, I want to thank all my new subscribers and of course my old subscribers too. Thank you so much for sticking with my channel and joining my channel, and I hope you're enjoying my videos. Hopefully I'll start putting out one a week instead of being so sporadic. I'm going to work on that. So anyway, updates. I dyed my hair red, as you can see. It's a light auburn. Still kind of getting used to it. I used to have it red, but the blonde's kind of hard to keep up with these days, so trying this out. Anyway, I want to update you on what I've been doing. I've got a few whips in progress, trying some new things that I wanted to share with you. First of all, as far as the looming goes, I'm working on this Afghan. As you can see, it's turning out gorgeous. This homespun yarn from Hobby Lobby that I picked up on sale this last summer. It's turning out gorgeous. I'm going to do a few strips of these, not sure yet on the length. I think I'm just going to do a throw, so it's not going to be too much longer. So I've been working on that, not as much as I should be, but because I've been doing other things, learning Tunisian crochet, thanks to my friend Angelia over at Crocheting House Mouse. She's amazing. She keeps inspiring me to try different things. So I started doing that a couple weeks ago, right after my last video, maybe a couple days after. And I'm working on this gorgeous throw. I had some neutral scraps of yarn that I wanted to use up. So this is kind of a sampler, blanket, throw, whatever you want to call it. I'm doing different stitches, learning different stitches. This one here's the mesh stitch. This is the basic simple Tunisian, it's called. And then this one, somebody made this one up. I think she calls it the cluster. Anyway, I'm going to have links to my favorite tutorials. I did a playlist for Tunisian crochet, so I'll have that at the end of the video you can click on if you want to check it out. It's really fun, and if you're bored with regular crochet or you just want to try something new, that's what Angelia did too, and I don't think she's gotten very far with hers, but she is the one that gave me the idea because she tried it out. And this stitch is one I made up. It's simple, or no, yeah, simple Tunisian and then the regular knit stitch combined. I did like 4 rows of simple and then 3 rows of the knit. And I really like the way that came out. So anyway, working on that. You do have to block your Tunisian crochet because see how it curls at the end. I am going to be doing a border, so that will help too, but you have to block it at the end, and there's all kinds of videos on blocking, which I'll also have 1 or 2 in my playlist so for you. And then also I did a couple of these big squares because I was going to do Ron Strong's, and I put him in my playlist. He has a Afghan sampler too, and he's got bigger blocks, so if you wanted to try that, I have him linked. And I did a little tiny mug rug. It got a stain already though. I'm gonna have to wash it. So just experimenting there. That's the lattice stitch. See how pretty those stitches are? I should show you closer up. This beautiful Tony from TL Crafts, I've got her link too. She's got a lot of these stitch tutorials. This one's called the brick stitch. Look how pretty that is. Oh, and this one is the full Tunisian. This is on Tony's too, TL Crafts. It's 3 different colors, and it's called the full Tunisian stitch. There's that way, and then that way. And yeah, it's really fun. So I told Angelia I would link, she's gonna get some Tunisian crochet hooks. You need to get long crochet hooks to do this. You can just get one if you want. Usually a 6 or a 6.5 is what they use, or 7. You have to come up on whatever your yarn says. You have to go up to a couple sizes. So usually your hook sizes are bigger. But this one was, I think, 11 in the set. I think it was $7.99 to $10.99. I'm going to link it below. This I got on Amazon, the whole set. So I'll link the link below and you can go there. But I like this the best. These are the bamboo ones. I got these on Amazon too. They come with 12. And what I like is they have the number printed on the side. This is the 8mm. This is the 6 I've been using. And so far, let's see if you can see that. It's not focusing. But anyway, so far it hasn't worn off. Now, the other ones, these aluminum are heavy. They're hard to hold. And look, it wore off. This used to have, I think it was a 7 or maybe a 6. But it wore off as I used it. So, see, they come with, oops, sorry. They come with the millimeters on there, but they wear off. So that's another thing. And they're really heavy because when you're holding this long thing, I have wrist problems anyway, but it was really heavy. So the bamboo ones are really light. They don't slide as easily. So you might want to think about spending a little bit more and getting ones that are more polished. They have them, I think, on Etsy. The ones that are more expensive. And they also have some that come with a tube that you can, they curl the stitches around if you want to do large projects. But I just wanted to get the cheap ones to try it, make sure I like it. And then Miss Angelia also inspired me to try the Mile a Minute Jada and Stitches Afghan for the year, for the calendar year. She does one every year. She does a different Afghan, and this one's the Mile a Minute. And so I started doing strips. You're supposed to do 1 strip a month. And it's supposed to have a border. And I'll link that below too so you can see the Jada and Stitches one. But I don't like the border. I'm just going to do the strips and do like a scrappy. And I'm not going to wait and do one a month. I'm just doing them as I want. So here's my 2 strips. I'm just going to use up my scraps. Here's another one. I'm going to have all different colors. I think it's going to be pretty. And boy, does it go fast. It is a mile a minute. I am a very slow crocheter. And this whips up in like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes for 1 strip. And then you just sew them all together. But check it out. I'll link it and you can see it with the border, see if you like it. I just really, it wasn't floating my boat. So I'm a weirdo. I like to be a rebel and do things my way. So anyway, then Angelia, and I'm going to link her videos down below. She's awesome. You have to check her out. She also inspired me to get out some of my vintage crochet magazines. Her video from today, this is Thursday, or no, this is Friday. I think she uploaded it today and did it yesterday. But I dug out a bunch of these ones. I got them on eBay in like a lot. And they have all kinds of, well here, let me start and show you this 70s one. This is called, it's by Bernat and it's Moods in Fashion, the open look. And look at these vintage from the 70s. Look at this dress. Love it. The open look. And, oh, remember these vests? If you're as old as me, you remember these. And there was a cute scarf and shawl, hat. Reminds me of Rhoda on Mary Tyler Moore. And then here's some more. I love it. So yeah, go on eBay. They have these in lots that you can pick up really inexpensively. Then here's an Afghan one. It has all different squares that you can do. And then this one has the doll. I love it. Remember the bed dolls they used to make? She reminds me of my auntie. And there's Barbie doll clothes. Let's see, I folded a couple pages because I wanted to show you guys. This is really cute. Look at this vintage with the pillow. I love it. And this magazine is Crochet World, April 1995, if you can find it. And then let me show you, there's a Marie Antoinette doll. Look at that. How cute is that? And, or it's a gown, sorry. Oh, let's see. I'm going to show you some other ones. Oh, here's the Barbie doll. Look at this. Barbie doll karate. Love it. Just some cute vintage stuff that reminds me of my childhood. And then this cute Easter bunny. I guess that's a toilet paper. Yeah, it goes over the toilet paper roll. That was cute. And then this one, let's see what's in this one. Oh, this has the cute cows. Look at this. Love these little cows. I love farm animals. They're so adorable. I used to have a farm, so I'm pretty partial. I had a lot of cows. Cows, ducks, pigs, you name it. We had it. Donkeys. It was great. Here's some little pigs. Look at them. That is a door stopper. And this one is Crochet World October 1994. So Angelie is going to pick out, I guess she picked out a turtle. It's in one of her vintage magazines that she got. And she's going to do that. I don't know. I have to look and see what I want to do, but there's all kinds of ideas in these. Anyway, I've got like, I don't know how many, 7 total. They're so fun. And then this one has this really cool Afghan. Look at this. It's got the chart and everything in it. It's really cool. Look at these 70s colors. This is Afghan Medley by Bernat. And this is maybe from 1972. Okay, here's the front page. If you can see the different Afghans. And they're all in like the 70s colors. They're really pretty. See, like this one, if you like the golds. Oh, look at this one. This is amazing. And it has the graph to be able to do that. That's crazy. You got to really have patience to do something like that. I don't have that much patience. So I'll probably pick a granny square one or something. But then this one, I love. It's got the cows. It's got so many patterns in here. I got this also on eBay, I think. Yeah. It's the Needlecraft Shop. This is actually in my Etsy shop. I did a digital download. If you want to download this, I think I have it at $3.99. But you could probably get, I can't remember how much I paid. I think I paid $6.99 for this book. But look, I think it was on eBay. It's got the cow that holds, I think she holds bags, maybe. Oh no, she holds a towel. And then what else? We got a bread basket one, a cookie jar one, there and there. And then this holds your utensils, goes around the jar. There's a placemat, a napkin ring, I think. Yeah, no. Placemat and, I don't know, these hang on the wall. They're just so stinking cute. Oh, this is a cute shelf sitter one. Love it. So anyway, if you can't find this and you want it, it's in my Etsy shop for download. Then I've also been working on my diamond painting, which I'm going to do a separate video on that. I got a couple kits to hold all the diamonds, and I also got another diamond painting because I'm almost done with the first one. So I've been working on that. So I've been a busy little thing. But anyway, I'm excited. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, just kind of a catch up, and I hope to see you back for more. And I will put the playlist, I'll link it at the end of the video so you can click on that if you want to see the Tunisian crochet tutorials. And if you want to try it, it's really, really fun. I'm going to get busy and try to finish my throw, and I'll show you that next time, hopefully the finished project. Okay? And the other Afghan on the loom. So, oh, and the scrappy one. All the things. All the things. I have a problem with wanting to try this and that. Then I get bored and never try it again. I go on to the next thing. I'm crazy. Anyway, it's good to talk to you guys, and hopefully you're having a wonderful January. Glad all the craziness might be over. We'll see. It's been a crazy 2 weeks, right? But I feel much better now that it's over with. So anyway, talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.